Hello everybody, welcome to the Managerial Economics class. Uh, this is Srinivasu Dalipatti, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, VSM College Autonomous, Ramchandrapuram. In the Managerial Economics, Unit 5, Macroeconomics Analysis, today we are going to discuss about circular flow of income. Circular flow of income. So, in the macroeconomics analysis, circular flow of income. What is circular flow of income? Introduction. The terms circular for the term circular flow of income or circular flow of economic activity refers to a simple economic model which describes the circulation by flow of income between producers and consumers. The term circular flow of income or circular flow of economic activity refers to a simple economic model which describes the circulation flow of income between producer and the consumer. In the circular flow model, producer is referred to as firms and consumer are referred to as households. The major exchanges are represented as follows of money. The major exchanges are represented as follows of money, goods and services, etc. What is circular flow of income? The circular flow of the circular flow means the unending flow of production of goods and services, income and expenditures in an economy. It shows the redistribution of income in a circular manner between the production unit and households. The circular flow means unending flow of production of goods and services, income and expenditures in an economy. It shows the redistribution of income in a circular manner between the production unit and the households. So determinants, let us see what are the determinants of the circular flow of income. Household, firm, financial institutions, government and foreign sectors. This is the 5-sector model. Household, firms and financial institutions, government and foreign sector. What is household? Let us see what is household. It is a person or group of people that share their income. It is a person or group of people that share their income, require goods and services to satisfy their personal wants. Some group of people or individual person require goods for services to satisfy their personal wants. Owns all resources, that is labor, capital, land, enterprise. Own all resources, labor, capital, land and enterprises. The member of households have two functions. First one, they supply different factors of production, and second one, members of household also work as consumers. The members of household have two functions. The first one, they supply different factors of production, and second one is members of household also work as consumers. And second one, firms. Determines second one is firm. What is the firm? An organization that produce goods and services for sale. Main objective is maximize point in the production process, uses of resources provided by the households to products and goods and services, sells the goods and services for income. The two main functions of the firms are as follows: producing goods and services and supply them into the market. Firms purchases inputs or raw materials from the households to use them in the production process. And then government, just like household as the farms, the government also earn incomes and makes expenses. Two major functions are: government earns revenue from their tax or non-tax sources, both from the household and farms. Government provides essential public services such as maintenance of law and order, defense service, judiciary, etc. And now coming to the financial institutions, consistence of the bank and non-bank intermediaries who engage in the borrowing, saving from households and lending of money. Savings from households and lending of money. The leakage that financial institutions provide the economy is the option for households to save their money. And then foreign sectors. In the 5-sector model, fifth one is foreign sector. It is consists of two kinds of international economic transactions. That is exports and imports of goods and services, inflow and outflow of capital. Very, very important. Export and import of goods and services and inflow and outflow of capital. Circular flow of income. A 2-sector economy. The models. What are the models in the circular flow of income? Models: 2-sector model, 3-sector model, 4-sector model, and 5-sector models. What are the 5 sectors? Earlier we have discussed about all these things. First sector, household. Second one is farm. Third one is government. Fourth one is financial institutions, and fifth one is foreign sector. So these are the models: 2-sector model, 3-sector model, and 4-sector model, and 5-sector model. Let us see what is 2-sector model. In the basic circular flow of income or 2-sector circular flow of income model, the state of equilibrium is defined as a situation which is there is not tendency for the levels of income Y, expenditure is E and output O. To change that is Y equals to E equals to O. What is the basic circular flow of income or 2-sector circular flow of income model? The state of equilibrium is defined as a situation in which there is not tendency for levels of income Y, expenditure E and output is O to change, that is Y equals to E equals to 0. This means the expenditure of buyers' households become incur for sellers' firms. The firms then spend their income factors of production such as labor, capital and raw material, transferring their income to the factor owners. The factor owners spend their income to goods, which leads the circular flow of income. This is 2-sector model. Resources, land, labor and capital in the 2-sector model. Income, consumer, householders and producers. Income, waste, goods and services. Consumption, spending. What is resources for 2-sector model? Land, labor and capital. Income and wages from the consumer and producer. Goods and services from the consumer and producer. Producer to consumer, goods and services. Incomes and wages to producer and consumers. Consumption, spending. This is consumption spending process. And 3-sector model. Let us see what is 3-sector model. In this, it includes household sector, producing sector and government sector. Household sector is first one, and producing sector means farms, and third one is government sector. These three in the 3-sector model. It includes household sector, producing sector and government sector. Here flow from the household sector and producing sector to the government sector are in the form of taxes. The income received from the government sector flow to producing and household sector in the form of payment for government, purchase of goods and services, as well as payment of subsidies and transfer payments. Let us see the 3-sector model in the format. Resources, land, labor and capital also here. Government consumer, government sector and producer. Here they share three-sector model. They share consumer and government sector, and producer share income and wages, goods and services, consumption spending and taxation and spending. Let us see here consumer, government sector and producer. And 4-sector model. A modern monetary economy compares a new network for 4-sector model. Here household sector, farms and producing sector, government sector and finally financial sector are also including here. A modern monetary economy compares a new four sectors economy is there: household sector, farms and producing sector, government sector, and financial sector. Each of the above sector is receives some payments from their goods and services, which make a regular flow of goods and physical services. Money facilitates such an exchange smoothly. Financial institutions' role to accept and protect the savings of consumers and make investment funds available to the producer. Let us see the diagrams. So here consumer, financial sector, government sector and producer. Resources also land, labor and capital. They share income and wages, goods and services, consumption spending, saving investments, and uh, financial sector taxation spending. Five sector model. This is the last one, five sector model. In the five sector model, economy is divided to five sectors: household sector, farm and producing sector, financial sector, government sector, and rest of the world sector. Transform the model a closed economy and open economy. That is foreign sector. Rest of the world means foreign sector. These five is including the single model, that is five sector model. In this five sector model, the economy divided into the five sectors. See, consumer, producer, financial sector, government sector, and overseas sector, nothing but foreign sector. Oh, same resources: land, labor and capital, income and wages, goods and services, consumption spending, saving and investment, taxation and spending, import payments and export income. Here new one is adding import payments and export savings, export income. Yeah. So let us see leakage and injections. What is the problem and what is the medicine for the, what is disease and what is the medicine for disease? Leakage is savings and injection is investment. Leakage is taxes and injection is government spending. So savings called as S, investment called as I, and taxes called as T, government spending Z. Yeah. And leakage is imports. Imports can call M, and injection is exports. It is E. Yes. See. Same resources, land and labor, consumer, financial sector, government sector, overseas sector, producer. Everything is here. Leakage, what is leakage and what is injection? Consumer side, leakage and injections, investment, spending and export income. Here the leakages are consumer saving, taxation, import payments. These are the leakages and injections. So leakage means withdraw from the flow. When the household firms save part of their income to constitutes leakage, they may be in form of saving, tax payments and imports. Leakage reduce the flow of income. Injection means introduction of income into the flow. When households are formed borrow the savings, they constitute injection. Injections increase the flow of income. Injections can take from form of investment, government spending and exports. The state of equilibrium. The term of the five sectors circular flow of income model state equilibrium occurs when the total leakage are equal to the total injection that occurs in an economy. This can be shown as savings plus taxes plus imports plus investment plus government spending plus exports. What is savings? Savings S, taxes T plus M, imports not equals to I, investment plus government spending plus X means exports. See, so value in the state of the sum of total leakage does not equal to sum of total injection, it results in disequilibrium. Disequilibrium can shows as savings plus taxes plus imports is not equals to investment plus government spending plus export. S plus T plus M E not equals to I plus G plus X. Now coming to the significance, let us see measurement of national income. National income as an estimation of aggregation of any economic activity of their circular flow. It is either the income all the factors production of the expenditures of various sector economy. No knowledge of interdependence circular flow of income signifies the interdependence of each activity upon the one another. If there is no consumption, there will be no demand and expenditure which in fact restrict the amount of production and income. And unending nature of income and unending nature of economic activities, it signifies that production, income and expenditure of unending nature of, therefore economic activities in an economy can never come to the heart. National income is also bound into raised in the future injections and leakages. So circular flow of income significance, measurement of national income. National income is an estimation of aggregation of any economic activity of the circular flow. It is either the income of all the factors of production or the expenditures of various sectors of economy. Knowledge of interdependence circular flow of income signifies the interdependence of each activity upon the another. If there is no consumption, there will be no demand and expenditure, which in fact restrict the amount of production and income. Unending nature of economic activities, it signifies that production, income and expenditure are unending nature. Therefore economic activities in an economy can never come to naught. National income is also bound to rise future injection and leakages. So in today's class we are discussing about circular flow of income. In the circular flow of income, we have a 5 sector model. What are the 5 sectors? First one, households. Second one is farm. Third one is government. Fourth one is financial institution. Fifth one is foreign sector. So what is circular flow of income? The term circular flow of income, circular flow of economic activity, refers to a simple economic model which describes the circulation flow of income between producer and the consumer. The circular flow model, producer refers to a farm and consumer as refers to as households. The major exchange are represented follows of money, flows of money, goods and services, etc. So the 5 sectors: household, farm, government and financial institution, foreign sectors. This is the 5 sector model for the national income. So determines household, farm, financial institution, government, foreign sectors. In the 2 sector models, 2 sector model, 3 sector model, 4 sector model and 5 sector model. In the 2 sector model, the basic circular flow of income, 2 circular flows model, that is they are households and farms. And 3 sector model, household, farm and government. And then 4 sector model, household sector, farm producing sector, government sector and financial sector also. And last 5th sector model, household sector, farms, producing sector, financial sector and government sector, Overseas sector nothing but foreign sectors. We have the leakages and injections, leakages, savings, taxes, and imports, injections, investments, government spending, and exports. I think you understood the class, today's class, about all about circular flow of information, circular flow of income. Still, if you have any doubt, please comment below. If we will meet in the next class with another topic. Thank you so much.